Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss Leetcode question number 670, which is maximum swap. So let's read the question. You are given an integer num. You can swap two digit at most once and get the maximum valued number. Return the maximum valued number. So you will be given an integer num, and what you have to do, you have to swap at most two digits, and you have to return the maximum value of that number. So let's see the example. So you are given 2736. So in this, you can see that if you will swap this 7 with 2, so you will get a number which is 7236, which is larger. Yeah, which is larger. Another larger is there. If you swap this 2 with 6, then you will get another larger. But you have to do only one swap. Okay. So this is the only one that if you will swap, will get the larger number. If you will swap the 6 with 2, then you will get 6 to yes, 6 7 6 7 3 2, which is not larger. So 7236 is the only one that is larger after one swap. Let's see the another example. Another is 9973. So in this, you can see that no swap is required. This is the only larger one. Okay, so let's discuss the approach. So one of the brute force approach could be that first you should convert this number to a string, and after that what you can do is you can keep a pointer here and we'll check which number is larger than this number in the rest of the numbers. So you are standing at 2 and you will check among 736 which is the larger one, and whichever will be larger you can swap with that. Okay, so time complexity for this will be n square. Uh, First, one loop will be iterating this string number, and inside that, another loop will be required for comparing with the rest of the digits. Okay, so time complexity is n square. So obviously, interviewer won't be happy. So we need to optimize it. So let's see how we can optimize. Yeah, so what we can do, we can take a map. Uh, in this also, we will convert this number to a string, and after that, we will take a map. And what we will do, we will store the last occurrence of each of the number, each of the digit. Okay. So for this, we will iterate from back. Okay, we will iterate from back, and yeah, we can iterate from front also. So let's assume that we are iterating from back. So we will see that 6 is not present in our map. So we will store 6 in our map with the index. Index will be 0, 1, 2. So 6 will have index 2 with the last occurrence. And another then the next element is 3. So 3 is also not in our map. So we will place 3 with index 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this is 3, and 3 will be 2, and next is 7. So we will store 7 with index 1, and another is 2. Mm, yeah, 2 is having index 0. So we will take a map which will keep this in a sorted way. Okay, so uh, we will take the map that will keep it in a sorted, and will keep the large element on the top, or large element should be the first one. Means it should store in the sorted way and in the decreasing way. Okay, so after that, what we will do, our map is ready, and after that, we will simply iterate our string. And what we will do, we will check whether these two, okay, wait, in this map, this 7 should be at the first. It will be because it is in the sorted way. So 7632, it will not be here. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Now I will check whether this two and the first element in the map, we will keep a iterator to iterate this map, and the iterator will point to the first element. Okay. This iterator will point to the first element in the map. Now we will check uh, the value that iterator is pointing and the element in the string, which is 2, uh, if uh, is if it is equal, suppose that case 7 was there. Okay, wait, we will discuss this case in this example. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so we can see that 2 is smaller than 7. So what we will do, we are having this index. So we will swap this 2 with this index that is stored for 7. So we will swap it. So after swapping, we will get 7 to 3, 6. And after swapping, we have to do only one swap. So we have swapped. After swapping, we will break the loop. Okay. So now let's see on the other example. Again, we will create a map. In that map, we will iterate from back. So in our map, it will have 3 with index 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 with index 3. Now next element is 7. 7 is bigger than this, so it will be in the first, and index is 2. Now next element is 9. So we will put 9 in our map with index 1. Now again, next element is 9. So we have already recorded the index for 9, and we are recording the last occurrence. So if 9 is already there in the map, we will not update it. Okay, so we are ready with the map, with our map. Now we will start iterating our string, and we will have our iterator that will be pointing to the first element of the map, which is 9. So we will see, is the element that I'm checking is smaller than 9. No, it is not smaller, it is equal. So what we will do, we will increase our iterator. We'll do iterator plus plus. Now move iterator to the next, and also we'll move to the next element. Now we have moved our iterator also and move to the next element. Now again we will check. Uh, Wait. So 9 occurred again. Okay, so there is a little bit change. See, if we are comparing the element with the element in the map, if they are same and the index that we are looking, this is 0, and the index for this is 1, then only we will increase this iterator. If the index is not same, we will just move to the next element. Okay, so now this is 9 and this is having index 1. Now iterator is pointing to this 9 only, so it will check whether 9 is lesser than 9. No, it is not lesser. It is equal to 9. So what it will do, it will check whether the index is same or different. We can see that index is same. So in that case, we will move our iterator to the next element. Because the element are same, there is no meaning in swapping. Okay. So we will move our iterator to next element in the map, and move to the next element in the string also. Now again, we can see that the element that iterator is pointing and element in our string is again same, 7 and 7. So again, we will check index. It is 7 is having index 2. So yeah, it is having index. So then again, I will move my iterator. So our iterator will point to this, and we will also move to the next index. Yeah, again, yeah, 3, again 3 and 3 are matching, and index is also matching. So again, no swapping, we will move. So in this case, no swapping occurred, and uh, we will return the same number. The number that we converted to string, we will convert back it to number, and will return from the function. Okay, now let's see the code. Okay, so uh, uh, we have converted this number to string, and we have taken a map, and we are iterating over the string from backside, and we are checking if it is not in our map, uh, then we are putting it in our map with the index. And after that, I have taken a iterator for the map, which is pointing to the first element in the map, and I'm iterating over the string. Okay, and I'm checking whether the uh, character character at that index and the iterator of the map, means the first element of the map, dot first means the key is equal. If it is equal, then it will come inside. Then it will check whether the index is also same. If index will be also same, then it will do iterator plus plus and will continue because no swapping required. Okay, and if they are not if they are not matching, then we can swap. So we will swap and we'll break from the loop. We'll break from the loop and we'll return our result by converting it to integer. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, it's passing all the given test cases. Let's submit it. Yeah, it passed all the test cases. So time complexity for this will be O of n, as we are running a single loop, so it which is running n times, so it is O of n. And space complexity will be also O of n. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.